Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life, shady characters. I got 3 things that I put on my list. I'm sure there are many, many more for people out there that are shady as fuck. But here are my top 3. Dishonesty. I called it the bridge of trust with the girls. Don't burn down the bridge of trust. Never burn down the bridge of trust, because once you burn down the bridge of trust, it's over. And if I smell it, if I feel it, if I get the gut instinct that you're being dishonest with me, you're fucking out, because I don't want to waste my time with dishonest people. The next one is highly defensive people who can't take criticism. If you can't take constructive criticism, take it from me. I've gotten poked so many fucking times with all my work. It's crazy. I mean, trying to be a writer, being a radio host, doing video, all of this stuff. Take the constructive criticism in the right way, and you know you're dealing with somebody that's upstanding. Highly defensive people, passive aggressive, pouting, can't take any criticism at all. Little bit off. Shady. Last one, they downplay their actions. They'll do something and then they'll say they know they've kind of fucked up, or they'll just kind of play it off. Oh, just take that with a grain of salt. I didn't really mean anything. I said it. I character assassinated you, but I didn't really mean anything. But I told all my friends about you. Oh, I was just joking. This bullshit. When somebody says something like that and you call them on it, that's fucking, you're out. So those are my top 3. Dishonesty, highly defensive, can't take constructive criticism, and downplaying their actions. They're never accountable for what the fuck they say. And when you call them out on it, they say, no, it's not a big deal. Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings after you fucking character assassinated someone. Hashtag Dad Talk. Shady customers. Don't want any part of them. Get the fuck out. Clean up your act. Hashtag Dad Talk. My refired life. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Love y'all.